Hi, Gary here with Auto Door Hardware. What we have here is a Stanley Telescopic motor gearbox assembly, brand new. The part number is 313186. This is made by Stanley. It has the encoder plug and the motor plug, and it bolts in with 3 bolts in the telescopic sliding door header, which powers the door.
Sometimes we get questions where somebody wants one of these and they're asking, do I have to send a core back? Is a core required to purchase that?
We're not a salvage or a rebuild house. All we sell is brand new parts.
Well, why would they need a core though?
Because they sometimes tear them apart and replace parts in them and resell them at almost new price.
So this is a new unit.
Hardware, we only sell new. This part and many other parts are available at Auto Door